In the SayMore for Basic Oral Language Documentation series, you will learn about the Basic Oral Language Documentation method and how to use SayMore to create oral annotations. In part 1 of this video series, the Basic Oral Language Documentation method was introduced. In this video, you will learn how to create a new project in SayMore and open a recording to create oral annotations for it. To follow along, you will need to have the most recent version of SayMore installed on your computer. Please note that SayMore is only available for Windows operating systems. You will also need a WAV audio recording to segment and annotate. If you like, you can use the recording in the SayMore teaching set linked in the video description. SayMore is designed primarily for annotating recordings of a single speaker, so we recommend starting out with a recording of this type. When you open SayMore for the first time, select the option to create a new blank project. Enter a name for the project, such as the language name, then click OK. When the project opens, you can ignore the fields in the Project tab. Click on the Sessions tab to get started adding recordings. In the Sessions tab, click on New in the bottom left-hand corner. This will open a session form where you need only enter the base name of the file that you will annotate in the ID field. For example, if the file name is eng003.wav, you should enter eng003 in the ID field. Leave the other fields blank. If you have used the metadata creation software Lameta before, you will notice that SayMore looks very similar and also has fields for metadata. However, we recommend using SayMore only for creating oral annotation recordings. Therefore, you need not fill out the metadata fields here. Drag and drop the audio file that you want to annotate into the white space above the session data fields. Or, you can click on the green plus next to Add Files in the top right corner and navigate to and select the file that you want to open. Note that SayMore can only segment audio files, not video. You should extract the WAV audio from the original video before you start working in SayMore. To learn how to extract audio from video, see the FFmpeg tutorials linked in the video description. The file will now appear in the file list and be automatically renamed to have the suffix _source, indicating that it's the original recording. It's okay if this doesn't match your file naming system, as you can rename the file later before archiving. In part 3 of this video series, you will learn how to segment a recording into shorter clips that can easily be repeated and translated by a speaker.